Where are we now?
The ship. Napoli.
We are at the ship
Napoli.
line from Naples to Capri. Estimated the time of arrival 18 minutes. Speed of the vessel 12 knots. Speed of the wind, Captain Jasta.
One buffer.
One buffer.
Buffer.
One buffer, yeah. I see calm. Calm or a little bit wavy. Tell us that's the wavy. At the distance we can see island of Capri.
Yes.
That's Capri, the most famous luxury Roman island. One of the famous islands from the Roman Empire. Now important touristic place.
Yes, very expensive.
Yeah.
With very expensive.
On the right side we can see Naples. Show the Naples.
Yes.
That's Naples. One of the second major
City.
port in Italy. First Genoa. And this is Naples. That big building, the tallest building in Naples is our hotel.
Yes.
NH Ambassador.
We are on 27th floor.
27th floor in room 2732.
Hotel is a hotel without stairs.
Without stairs, on the elevator. In case of fire, you will die.
You will die.
So don't worry.
Don't worry, be careful.
Be careful, yeah. Or jump through the window if you can sneak out.
It's not possible because you can not open the window.
Window cannot be opened widely because there is a metal chain closing the window. So if you are not skinny, you cannot sneak out and jump.
Please, be skinny.
My ass will stuck and I couldn't jump through the window. Fucked up.
It's hotel for only skinny people.
For skinny people, yeah. Look at the clouds. There is no sun, but they predicted a little bit of rain.
Oh no!
We hope
no!
there will not be rain.
Capri is very beautiful, but with rain,
Rain is not so
it will be so ugly.
The clouds are all over the sky.
Yes, half Naples.
Above Naples.
Nego pola je u magli, pola u
Half
tami.
Naples is in dark, half is in the sun.
Another island is Isha.
Another island is called Isha.
A ne Isha, kako se kaže?
Isha.
Isha.
Island of Isha.
To je Ića.
Isha. Approximately 3,000 kilometers. That's about 4 miles. 4 miles on the east. Yeah, east. East Capri is on the north.
That's all for now.
That's all for now. We are going now to sail and to maneuver the vessel.
Yes. Bye.
Bye.